Hello everyone, today we will see how to represent root 3 on a number line. Now for that you have to first draw a number line. So this is a number line. On this number line, take point 0, 1, 2 at equal distance and at 1 draw an angle of 90 degree. Now that is what we are doing. We are drawing an angle of 90 degree at 1, or we are drawing a perpendicular on this number line. So from these 2 points now we will draw 2 arcs, that these 2 arcs will intersect at a point. So we have drawn perpendicular at 1. Now after that we will take the distance of 1 unit, which is from 0 to 1. See, this distance is 1 unit. We will keep it at 1, and this is 1 unit. So let us write it as A, this as B. Now see what we have done till now. OA is 1 unit, right? AB is 1 unit. Now we will join OB. Now see, this triangle OAB is a right angled triangle. Its right angle is at A. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. In a right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have OB square is OA square plus AB square. OA is 1 unit. AB is also 1 unit. So this is 1 plus 1. This is 2. OB square is 2. That is OB is square root of 2. This OB is square root of 2. But we have to represent root 3 on a number line. So next step will be, you will be drawing right angle at OB. So remember, at OB we have to draw right angle. So we have to start from this point and we will draw, this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree from here. From these 2 points, so like this will be 90 degree. Now again we will take 1 unit, which is from 0 to 1. So this is 1 unit. And from B, from point B, we will mark an R on this perpendicular at a distance of 1 unit. Let us take this point as C. So now what do we have? We have BC is 1 unit again, right? So let us join OC. So this will be OC. Now see, this OBC again is a right triangle, right angled at B. So again we can apply Pythagoras theorem now in triangle OBC. So in right triangle OBC, right? So by Pythagoras theorem we have OC square is OB square plus BC square. Now OB is square root of 2. BC is 1 unit. See, from here BC is 1 unit and OB is square root of 2. Now square root of 2 is 2. This is 1. So this will be 3. OC square is 3. So OC will be square root of 3 units. See, this is square root of 3. But we have to represent this on a number line. For that, what you have to do, we will keep our compass at O, taking center O and radius OC, radius OC. We will draw an arc of a circle. So it will be, you have to take it till C. So it will be like this. So if this is root 3 units, this distance will also be root 3 units, since we are drawing a circle. So that means this point that we are getting on number line, its distance from O will be root 3 units. So what we can write here, this point is P. If this distance is root 3 units, so this point will be square root of 3. So we can write OP is square root of 3. P represents square root of 3 on number line. Thank you.